Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Yahoo your homepage in Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome browser. So kahit ano dyan ay pwede mong gamitin kasi pares lang naman sila ng settings. Okay, so ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And next step, so scroll down and select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung on startup, so click mo lang yan. And next step, dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung on startup. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung open a specific page or set of pages. Okay, so i-select mo lang tong circle na yan. And then, makikita mo na dito yung dalawang options na add new page or use current pages. And then, select mo lang dito yung add a new page. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa add a new page or site URL, so, kailangan lang natin i-type yan yung URL ni Yahoo. So, type mo yahoo.com and then click mo lang dito yung add. And makikita mo na kaagad dito na na-add na yung yahoo.com as my homepage. So, ang gagawin mo lang is kailangan mo lang mag-relaunch. Okay? So, close lang natin to and then back lang tayo. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to make Yahoo my homepage on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.